Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, class. Okay, today I will explain you about narrative text. Kalau definisinya adalah sebuah teks yang menceritakan tentang rangkaian cerita di masa lalu, atau dalam bahasa Inggrisnya the type of the text that tell a chronological story in the past. Oke, kita lihat tujuan dari teks naratif ini adalah to entertain the readers through the amusing story, untuk menghibur pembaca dengan cerita-cerita yang menarik. Legends story itu tentang Malin Kundang. Mari kita lihat video Malin Kundang berikut ini. Once upon a time, there were a mother and her young son, namely Malin Kundang, live in difficult life. They hang life with something given by their nature. They took wood from the forest and sold them to buy their food. It was not enough to fulfill their daily need normally. They ate food whatever there was. They wore clothes whatever there was. They were very poor. One day, Malin Kundang asked for permission to her mother to walk. He wanted to change their life. Malin Kundang went away to try his luck in a big city. His poor life motivated him to be a good employee. He was very diligent and made her career increase as fast as possible until he became a rich man. The merchant of a big ship interested in him and wanted him to marry his daughter. Malin Kundang agreed because she was very beautiful. After Malin Kundang married, their ship anchored near the harbor of West Sumatra. Everybody heard their coming. The dwellers told about it. Malin come back, Malin come back, Malin come back. He is a rich man now, they thought. Malin Kundang's mother came to harbor and found Malin Kundang with his wife. Malin, Malin, welcome to your village, said his mother. Malin Kundang ashamed to his wife, and he was saw his mother in a bed clothes. He always said to his wife that he was a son of a rich man. I'm your mother, Malin. You don't remember me, do you? Said his mother more. Go away. I have no mother like you, thought Malin Kundang. Malin Kundang's mother was very sad. She was in belief in unbelief that the man on the ship is his son. She said to God to make sure about it. God, if he is not my son, forgive me. And that I have felt he is my son, but if he is not my son, you are the just king. In the short time, the sky become dark. The thunder rumbles, no light. Then after the last thundering sound, after everything in normal condition, there was a big stone of Malin Kundang and his ship. Oke, setelah kita melihat video yang barusan tampil itu tentang Malin Kundang, itu ada beberapa tahapan di sana orientation. Orientationnya ini mengambil background of the story bertempat di West Sumatra. Ini adalah sebuah cerita legenda yang sangat terkenal sekali di West Sumatra. Mengambil time, waktunya adalah long time itu, sedangkan place-nya kalau di Sumatera Barat dikenal dengan Pantai Air Manis. Nah, oke, berdasarkan dari video itu ada orientation. Orientation itu adalah siapa yang dalam cerita itu? Malin Kundang bersama ibunya. Itu yang menjadi partisipan tokoh utama dalam cerita ini. Nah, setelah itu kita masuk ke tahapan berikutnya adalah complication. Di dalam complication ini ada konflik antara tokoh utama di dalam itu, ibunya dan Malin Kundang. Yang mana saat Malin Kundang menjadi orang kaya, ya, mempunyai istri yang cantik dan memiliki kekayaan yang luar biasa, saat pulang ke kampung ketemu dengan ibunya, di sana terjadi konflik. Penulis mengarahkan di sana terjadi konflik yang luar biasa antara anak dan ibunya, sehingga sang anak tidak mengakui ibunya lagi. Nah, ini yang terjadi, ya. Nah, itu dimasukkan dalam paragraf complication. Nah, penulis tidak akan berlama-lama di paragraf complication. pasti dia akan memberikan solusi. Kalau seandainya ada konflik antara ibu dan anaknya sehingga disebut dengan anak yang durhaka, apa solusinya? Disebut dengan resolution. Ya, resolution, problem solving about the story, moral value and closing the story. Nah, untuk menutup cerita ini, penulis itu memberikan sebuah ending. Si Malin Kundang yang durhaka kepada ibunya ini dikutuk dan menjadi batu. Nah, moral value yang terdapat di dalam cerita Malin Kundang ini adalah, ya, jangan pernah lupa siapa kita, di mana kita berasal, dan jangan pernah melawan atau durhaka kepada orang tua. Nah, ini kisah yang memiliki nilai moral yang sangat luar biasa. Semoga bermanfaat buat kita. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.